Listen, if you have a bird problem and you have a bird that's trying to build a nest over your the front porch light, so I come up with the idea of putting a plastic bag on top of it, and so there it is, and it will not come back again. That's cheap and it's simple and it's slippery, and so they would not come back again. Here it is. And I'll show you. Do you see the plastic bag up there on my front porch? Ain't that crazy? They not come back again. So it was built in. So now that's an idea of getting rid of the bird instead of trying to catch them. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Have a wonderful day.